In this video, we're going to show you how to prepare the Elara 900 and your patient for a precise and comfortable examination. Let's start with patient positioning. First of all, rotate the chin rest height adjustment lever found just below the chin rest clockwise or anti-clockwise to raise or lower the rest. This allows you to bring the patient's chin to the correct position. Now, ensure the patient's eyes are at the same height as the canthus marker. That's the small indicator located on the side of the headrest. This alignment is essential for accurate imaging and patient comfort. Next, let's turn our attention to the eyepieces. We need to adjust the eyepieces for the correct interpupillary distance and diopter settings. Double check when in camera mode that the live camera image is in focus and it should perfectly match what you see through the eyepieces. If there's any mismatch at all, review the steps in the Adjust Eyepieces section located in the device settings to recalibrate the optics and camera for consistent sharpness. We have a specific video just showing you how to work through that process. Now that your patient is correctly positioned, let's move on to your screen on the device for the examination. On the touchscreen, select your user profile from the main menu. This will open the ocular mode as default, and you will have all your presets on display, as well as the illumination information like magnification, slit width, height, illumination, brightness, and slit axis. Adjust the vertical height of the slit lamp using the lower rotating ring on the multifunction joystick. Turning it clockwise or anti-clockwise will smoothly set the lamp at the optimal height for your examination. You can also quickly change the magnification of the stereo microscope by turning the upper rotating ring on the joystick. The magnification increases when you rotate clockwise and decreases when rotating counterclockwise. This gives you easy, on-the-fly control to examine all of the ocular structures in detail. You can now start your examination. To adjust the slit width, simply rotate the outer part of the control knob on the illumination unit. For the slit height, you have to rotate the inner part of the knob. It's intuitive and it's designed for fast adjustment, which is ergonomic. If you need to fine-tune the slit brightness, hold and rotate both the inner and outer parts of the control knob together. This simultaneous adjustment gives you smooth, stepless control over illumination. The control elements are mirrored on both sides of the illumination unit. There are two ways of rotating the slit axis. First of all, you can press the preset wheel into the instrument base once, or you can click on the slit axis button on either the camera or the ocular mode screens. Then, the preset wheel lets you rotate the slit axis in steps. This is ideal for toric IOL axis measurement, and I found it really useful. To return to quick preset selection, simply press the preset wheel again, or you can touch a preset button on the display itself. With these preparations complete, you're now ready for a fast, efficient, and tailored anterior segment examination using the Elara 900. I hope you enjoy all your future examinations.